Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ataur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel, Ataur's Math Edu. Today, I will explain introduction to set. Now, definition or shonga. A set is well-defined collection of distinct objects. Well-defined collection means বলতে বোঝায় একটা জিনিস আমরা স্পষ্টভাবে ধারণা থাকতে হবে এখানে কয়টি জিনিস আছে বা কত সংখ্যক আছে এক্স্যাক্টলি বা সঠিক ধারণা থাকতে হবে এটা হলো ওয়েল ডিফাইন্ড the object of a set are called elements the elements that make up a set can be any kinds of mathematical object such as number symbol point in space line other geometrical shapes variables and even other set all are elements of sets এই সমস্ত কিছু আমরা elements of set বলতে পারবো the concept of a set emerged উদ্ভাবন হয়েছে in mathematics at the end of 19th century now let us take an example আমরা একটা example নিব a equal 1 2 3 4 and 5 since a set একটা এক্সাম্পলের মাধ্যমে আমরা সেটকে এক্সপ্লেইন করব a set is usually represented by the capital letter here a capital letter thus a is the set 1 2 3 4 5 are elements of set or number of set the elements are written in set can be any order but cannot be repeated এখানে কোনো টার্ম দুইবার বা রিপিট করেনি all the set of elements represented in small letter in the case of alphabet আমরা যখন এখানে alphabet ইউজ করব অবশ্যই small letter ইউজ করতে হবে also we can write one elements of a two elements of a etc the cardinality বা cardinal number of a set is 5 এখানে পাঁচটি সংখ্যা আছে so cardinal number হলো 5 now representation of set the set are represented in curly brace বা second bracket বা দ্বিতীয় বন্ধনী for example 2 3 4 or abc or bat ball wicket all are set the elements of sets are deprecated in either statement form roster form or set builder form now first one we explain statement form the statement form the well defined descriptions of a number of a set are written and enclosed in curly bracket যে কোনো একটি ডেসক্রিপশন বা বর্ণনা যদি কার্লি ব্র্যাকেটের মাধ্যমে এনক্লোজ থাকে এটাকে বলবো আমরা সেট সাপোজ the set of even number less than 15 15 থেকে কম বিজোড় সংখ্যাগুলি so it can be written as even curly bracket right curly bracket even number less than 15 so এটাকে বলবো আমরা statement form now explain roster form বা roster method বা এটার another name of this tabular form বা tabular method the roster form all elements of a set are listed for example the set of natural number less than 5 so natural number sets are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 etc অর্থাৎ কাউন্টিং নাম্বার গুলো the natural number less than 5 equal 1 2 3 4 so the set will be but that set is n equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 4 then another curly bracket 1 2 3 4 another form, set builder method, but set builder form. The general form is A equal to right curly bracket X such that property, left curly bracket. Example, the right of the following set builder form A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. This is roster method বা roster form. এটাকে আমরা যদি সলিউশন করি 2 equal to 2 1s are 2, 4 equal 2 2s are 4, 6 equal 2 3s are 6, 8 equal to 2 4s are 8. So the set builder form is A equal to curly bracket x such that x equal to twice n. So আমরা এটাকে লিখতে পারবো 2n এর গুণিতক আকারে n elements of n n থেকে নিব and 1 less equal n less equal 4. 1 এর মানটা হবে 1 থেকে 1 এবং 4 এর মাঝখানে. Also diagram are simple and best way to visualize representation of sets. Now we learn type of sets. We have several types of set in mathematics. Let us go through the classification of set here. First classification for first one, empty set. A set which does not contain any elements is called an empty set, or another name void set, or other name null set. So it's denoted by left curly bracket and right curly bracket or Greek alphabet ORI. Example, a set of apple in bracket of grapes is an example of empty set. আমরা অ্যাপল আছে এখানে যদি আমরা এটাকে গ্রেপস এর বাস্কেটে যদি আমরা বলি তাহলে because grapes in a grapes of basket there has no apple present. আঙ্গুরের বাক্সের মধ্যে অ্যাপল নেই, সো আমরা এটাকে বলবো আমরা empty set. Now singleton set, a set which contain an single elements is called singleton set. There is only one apple in basket of grapes. So example of singleton set, one elements. Now finite set, a set which contain a definite number of elements is called finite set. Example, a set of natural number up to 10. So a equal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 10. This is finite set counting. Infinite set, a set which is not finite is called infinite set. Example, a set of all natural numbers. So a equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 dot dot etc. Many numbers are in A, so it is uncountable. So we say this is called infinite number. Now equivalence set, if the number of elements is the same of two different sets, then they are called equivalent sets. The order of the set does not matter here. It's represented as cardinality of A সমান number of B, or the cardinality of B. A, B are different set which are the same number of elements. Suppose an example, A is equal 1 2 3 4, B also red, blue, green and black. So here the number 4, A also number 4, B also number 4. In a set A there are 4 elements, in a set B also 4 elements. So A and B are equivalence set. Now equal set, The two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly same element. The order of the element does not matter. In example, A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, B 4, 3, 2, 1. So A and B are almost equal. So this is called equivalence set. Now disjoint set. The sets A and B are said to be disjoint if the set doesn't contain any common elements. So here set A 1, 2, 3, 4, set B are 5, 6, 7, 8 are disjoint because there is no common elements, even no common element between them. A and B এর মধ্যে কোনো common elements নেই. Now subset. A set A is said to be subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B, denoted by A subset B. Even all null set is considered to be subset of another set. Null set, in general, the subset is a part of another set. An example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we take two elements from A. Now 1, 2 subset of A. Similarly, other subset of A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and empty set. So all other subset are in A. So we can say, বা আমরা বলতে পারি যে A এই সমস্ত সেটগুলো A এর সাবসেট. All other sets are subset of A. So note, the set is also subset of itself. So A 1, 2, 3 also subset of A. A is not subset of B. It is denoted by A not subset B. Now explain proper subset. If A subset B and A not equal B is called proper subset of B, it can be written A proper subset B. Subset and proper subset just different. Proper subset elements equal hote parbe, A and B equal hote parbe, but proper subset এর মধ্যে অবশ্যই যেটা প্রপার সাবসেট হবে অবশ্যই সেম এলিমেন্টস হবে না. যেমন সাপোজ ইফ A equal to 2, 5, 7 is a subset of 2, 5, 7, but it's not proper subset of B. But 1, 2, 5 is a subset of 2, 5, 7 is also proper subset of B. A is also subset of B and also proper subset of B. এটা proper subset হবে B এর, আবার subset হবে B এর. Now superset. The set A is said to be superset of B if all elements of B are in the elements of A. It's represented A superset B if set A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and B 1, 3, 4. So A is said to be superset of B. Now universal set. A set which contain all elements relevant to certain condition is called universal set. It's the set of all possible values. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. The universal set will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, all are dear viewers, thank you.